Welcome to the Plant Web Demonstration Series, where we explore easy ways to accelerate your digital transformation. I'm Joe Johnson, and I'm here at Emerson's interactive plant environment in Minneapolis. Today we're going to be talking about steam traps. For industrial facilities, failed steam traps represent one of the largest sources of excess energy costs. When steam traps fail, it can mean poor steam quality and energy waste, as well as increased fuel consumption and emissions. Steam traps fail frequently and in a variety of ways, but they often go unchecked. That's because they're typically monitored through manual, route-based inspections. Due to the nature of these inspections, it's difficult to inspect each steam trap more than once or twice a year. What's more, these manual inspections pose a safety risk by having employees out in the plant more than necessary. Now it's possible to continuously and cost-effectively monitor your steam traps with a subscription-based service that alerts you to issues with your steam traps. Let me show you how easy it is. Here we are by a typical Yarway steam trap. We've installed a non-intrusive measurement point by attaching a wireless acoustic transmitter with pipe clamps. This transmitter captures acoustic and temperature data, which can identify different steam trap failure modes, like cold and blow-through conditions. As you can see in this example, the steam trap has failed and is blowing through steam into the atmosphere. With our Connected Services offering, our experts help you identify this failure as soon as possible, rather than waiting on a manual inspection. In our setup, sensors communicate this failure to a gateway where data is collected and sent via cellular signal to a cloud monitoring environment, where Emerson experts analyze the data and generate recommendations. These recommendations are then sent back to the plant personnel who can repair or replace the trap. There you have it. Connected Services for steam traps is a great way to ensure the health of your steam system. In fact, Emerson can offer the entire solution, including the hardware, communication infrastructure, and the monitoring service for one subscription fee, eliminating the need for you to find a capital budget to implement this solution. Thanks for watching this quick Plant Web demo. If you want to learn more about this solution, reach out to your local sales rep to schedule a discussion. And for more ways to start your digital transformation, be sure to check out the other videos in this series.